My name is Jesse and I'm on a one-way mission to visit every single country on earth. Today we are exploring the ancient Greek history of Armenia and we got picked up by a famous actress. Let's discover country 69 together. Go back. New day in Yerevan and today we're going to
Garni.
But first, lunch.
Not lunch. This is our favorite place to come to eat. Everything is ready, fresh, homemade, natural food. We're on the way to Garni, by the way, and explore a beautiful ancient architecture.
So right now we're in the temple of Garni. Funny enough, there are two weddings pictures going on right there and there. Anyhow, that doesn't matter. This temple is built by the Greek and Romans and you can very much see the Greek architecture in this temple. And this temple was built for the god of sun. So let us explore and see the temple from the inside.
Two windows, one at the top for the sunlight. I think during the midday it's the brightest room in the wall, and the second window here, but I can only see the reflection of that window. So I think when the sunlight hits here, it reflects the whole room. It makes it bright because this is the temple of sun. Armenians are getting married every day. Every time we go somewhere, there is a wedding. As you can see behind me, there are ruins, which means this temple was fully destroyed by the earthquake, because Armenia is a very seismic active zone. So this temple was fully ruined and destroyed, and then it was fully reconstructed in 1950s or about that time. But that area was impossible to reconstruct, so you can see the ancient ruins. This is a very famous Armenian Walnut Gem. The price of this small bottle is 1,000, which is less than $2. This is amazing and one of my most favorite gems in the world.
This is Suchela. Normally it's double as long as this thing, but we already ate half of it. Anyhow, it are some nuts with fruit around it and it's all natural and it's like a healthy snack that you can buy everywhere here around Armenia. And when you visit Armenia, make sure you try one of these. And you have also these amazing fruit things. It's just a flat piece of dried fruit all combined. This is with apricots. This one is with cherry and it just tastes amazing. So let's try one of these. Garni, we kind of started hitchhiking and now our driver stopped at this amazing, gorgeous, beautiful area where we have a whole view of the city. And when you look very closely there, I will show you, when you look very closely there, you already can see the city of Yerevan and over this amazing mountainous area. And on a normal good day, you also can see the Mount Ararat very clearly. It's right behind me, but unfortunately it's a bit cloudy, misty to look very far. You can see, I don't know if my camera is able to capture it, but I can see like the outline of the mountain right behind me. And that is where Turkey starts as well. Very funny thing is we were hitchhiking. Now the person who picked us up, who was in the car, is here, a famous Armenian actress. And all these kids right here are now taking pictures with her.
They're asking, they want to take a picture with her, and they were worried that picture becomes just like, make a beautiful picture. Right now we're in this wonderful place with these beautiful people exploring Armenia.
A last day in Armenia. This is the perfect ending of an amazing country. We have the view of this wonderful city and we're just gonna enjoy our last day. This is the end of the Armenian series. If this is the first video you watched, please feel free to check out the playlist of Armenia. It is an amazing adventure. And if you have seen the previous vlog, you might have remembered this sentence.
I don't know. But we have a flight in 2 days. In 3 days.
Where are we going?
Kyrgyzstan.
Do you think they allow me on the flight?
I don't know.
Now, let me tell you a message I got from the embassy. Most likely, you will not be allowed to travel to MRV. This airport does not have a special international transit zone. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell if you want to know what happens if you try to transfer in Russia without a visa. See you next week.